Assalamualaikum and very good morning to everyone. My name is Asmira Natasha Abdullah. Today I will cook buttermilk chicken, which is a very simple recipe. So first of all, I will show you in the ingredient. First, the ingredient first is 500 gram chicken breast, half tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon white pepper, and 1 tablespoon vinegar. We will marinate this for 1 hour. For the second ingredient is 1 egg, a quarter cup corn flour, a quarter cup of rice flour, and oil for the cooked chicken. The third ingredient is 1 tablespoon unsalted butter, 2 garlic, 5 chili padi, 1 stalk of curry leaf, a quarter of fresh milk, 1 condensed milk, a bit of white pepper, 1 tablespoon cornstarch. The safety steps. Firstly, we must wash our hand and make sure the hand are clean. Before we start, we must put on apron and safety boots for safety. Third, don't forget to make sure all the tools are clean. Be careful when using electric stove because it is very hot. Lastly, store the food in the safe and clean place.
Firstly, in a bowl, mix the chicken part into the bowl, and then put 1/2 table of salt. Okay. And then 1 tablespoon of white pepper. Oops. And then 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Here we go. Tablespoon of vinegar. Alright. And then I will mix it all together. All of the chicken we have to marinate for 1 hour, but for this time I will make this simple today. I will make it right now. And then after that I will crack the egg into the chicken. Mix it again. Thirdly, in a separate bowl, combine 1/4 cups of corn with 1/4 rice flour, and then I will take the marinate 1 chicken and dip it in the flour. Oops. Okay. We need to do it slowly. Oops, sorry. Again, I need more chicken into this flour. I think this is good enough. I will combine it again. Again and again. So we already marinated it again. Alright, in a deep pan of high heat, I will turn on it on the 5 degrees. So we need to fry the chicken into the deep oil right now, one by one. I think it's more good for one by one. Flip up, flip up. Okay, I will remove this. Firstly, I have to turn off. Alright, we'll turn off the heat and put it to another bowl, into the bowl. So, this is how it looks like, golden brown. Okay, what we need for this recipe is butter, chopped garlic, chopped chili with chopped chili, and curry leaves. So first of all, I have to add unsalted butter, just 1 tablespoon of it. After this, I will add the garlic, the chop of garlic, and a chop of chili. I will remove this first. We need to make this for 1 minute, I think. And I will add the curry leaves. I will move it again. This is the milk. This is the chicken and the separate milk. And I think I need more salt. Okay, I think this is good enough, and I'll add right now. Slowly, and then I'll add this separate milk. I will make it slowly. Because this is the water, some silly water. Look at that, the smell. It's more oily right now. Okay, the last but not least, I think we add the chicken butter, the chicken. The golden brown chicken. Yes, look at that. If you want to make the curry sauce more delicious, we need to add some salt and more of white pepper on that. My recipe is done, so I have to, yes, lastly, buttermilk chicken. So this recipe really brings me back when I was in my hometown with my friends. So this is our recipe. Keep smiling, be positive, and don't forget that you're gonna chill.